my spooky babes and goals. So today I want to do like a primary eye look. I'm using all primary colors, which would be yellow, red, and blue. So I have everything set out here in front of me, and I'm pretty much gonna get started. I don't know, I kind of want to do like a yellow base with a blue liner and a red shadow underneath the eyes. So we'll see what happens, and we'll see how we'll go from there. So yeah. Okay, so first I'm going to be applying Baby Best Beauty Doomsday eyeshadow onto my eyelid. I'm going to be packing it on with a flat eyeshadow brush and then blending it out with a blending brush. This one's kind of like a mustard yellow. I think it's like the perfect yellow for this look. So these are the two brushes I'll be using to blend them out. It's a flat eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. and a fluffy blending brush from Wet n Wild. And I might also, as I'm blending it out, it might be fine by itself, but I might also be blending it out with white. And I'll be using the white from the Morphe 35B palette. And here's the palette over here. Of course, here's the white. You can use any white eyeshadow you have. It doesn't have to be from this exact same palette. I'm just telling you guys, I might just blend it out with white, just in case if I need it. If I need to blend it out a little more. I like to blend out colorful colors of white. Just kind of fade it out up here. So yeah. Okay, so before I even start with the eyeshadow, I'm going to add like a little strip of tape onto the corner of my eye here. So that way it creates like a winged look. So that way I have to go back with like concealer later on and kind of like clean it up. Of course, if I do mess up, I can always go back, but this will help keep the eyeshadow nice and clean. Next I'm going to do eyeliner, like exactly how I've done this side. I just basically did this side first before filming because I wanted to get a feel of what I was doing so I can explain it right. But I basically did just a double winged eyeliner. I was kind of thinking of adding liner up here, but I didn't really know exactly the shape. I just didn't really want to mess with eyeshadow. So I don't know if I'm going to do it as a thought, but I think I'm happy with this so far. So I think it's cute. Yeah. But I used the Lime Crimes Teacup Velveteen. So I'm going to be applying this using a tiny little brush. This is from Real Techniques. And it came with like some eyeliner set. It's really, really tiny. And I'm just going to create like a winged look. Actually, I need to remove the tape first. There we go. It's a nice clean line. I was kind of, after I did the liner on this side, I was kind of thinking that maybe I should have done like the liner and that separately. I don't know how to explain it, but like it would be like a line of eyeshadow and then the liner. It would be a separate thing instead of like connecting together, but whatever. It's already too late for that. I mean, I could always maybe go back with concealer and fix it, but whatever. I think I'm gonna test that out actually. But I'm gonna be, after I apply the eyeliner on, in order for it to not crease on my eyelids, I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D's Divine palette, and I'm gonna be using the shade Waters just to set the eyeshadow, so that way it doesn't crease onto my eyelid. Next I'm using the Alien Cosmetics Pluto palette, and we're going to be diving into the red shade right here. I'm not sure what its name is, but it is. It's a really nice, beautiful, bright red. And I'm going to get like a small crease brush, and I'm going to get a little bit on the brush and apply it on the bottom, underneath my eye, and blend it out. Probably blend out with white too. Okay, so the waterlines, I'm going to apply this NYX Faux Blacks eyeliner in Oxblood. This is like a really dark red. You can use a bright red, you can use any red eyeliner you have, or even a lip liner as well. I'm just going to apply it onto the waterline. Okay, so I already applied Baby Best Beauty Midnight Mascara, and I do have a discount code for the shop. I did use a Doomsday eyeshadow earlier in my eyes, but if you scroll down below in my description, You'll see my link to the website and also my affiliate code down below. And it is Denise_Draven, so make sure you use that so you can get 20% off your purchase. They have a bunch of awesome products. They have mascara, they have eyeshadows, they have liners, they have like powders, everything pretty much. Lip scrubs, lip balms, liquid lipsticks, a lot of stuff. So you guys definitely check them out. They're awesome, badass indie brand, and I just love promoting for them. So yeah. Okay, so next I'm using Baby Bats Beauty Mermaid Dream. I was saying Midnight Dreams. Mermaid Dreams highlighter on my inner corner, but I'm using this blue. I'm just dipping my finger into it, and I'm applying it onto the inner corner of my eye. Right there, so that we can get like a little blue inner corner highlight, and it looks really cute. I like it. Okay, so next I'm doing my eyebrows with the Kat Von D's eyebrow pomade and graphite, and I'm using a small angle brush like I always do, and strong one. Okay, so I don't know if you can be able to tell from there, but I put a little bit of the teacup liquid lipstick onto my eyelashes, so that way they're like blue, and then we zoom in. Y'all can see that right there. Got some little blue lashes on the bottom. You guys will see what kind of lashes I'm going to use for the top. I think they're really beautiful and I haven't used them yet. But anyway, so we're going to be diving into the Lunatic Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm going to be dipping in some blush actually. I'm going to dip into the light shade and a little bit of this one right here, and I'm just going to blend it out onto my Okay, so next I'm applying Kat Von D Santa Sangre liquid lipstick onto my lips. Okay, so next I'm using the Baby Bat Beauty's Mermaid Dreams highlighter again, and we're going to be dipping into the blue again as well, finger again, and I'm just gonna apply it right here above where I did my blush. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I kind of brought the brush like way up here, very 80s. That looks really cool. This look, it's more dramatic than, you know, most normal looks are. Okay, so next I'm gonna be applying the Alien Cosmetics Zodiac lashes onto my eyes, but this is actually my first time actually wearing them. I've been planning on doing like a really cool look for my first time wearing them. They're really beautiful and colorful. Even the packaging is really beautiful. Look at that. It's really cool. Well, let me get this open for you guys. They're really beautiful in rainbow. They're sold out. They're probably not gonna make them come back, but they're beautiful. I think they're handmade, and they're like each of them is like one of a kind. So I don't think anyone's the same. But I think it will go perfectly with this look. Really colorful lashes, very dramatic. So yeah, so I guess I'm gonna try to cut these a little bit. They don't fit me, and then glue them onto my eyelids. Okay, so that is it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I did. I had a ton of fun doing it. I kind of planned it out a little bit in my head. I was like, I know I want to do eyeshadow as a base, some blue liner, and red underneath. I kind of want to do like a more of a graphic liner thing, but I don't know. I need to think more about the design and whatnot, but I think it's got the little symbol, like a double wing. So yeah, I had a ton of fun creating this, and also I'm really happy with how the lashes look. You guys can see them right there. It's my first time using them, and I'm so excited. I bought them like months ago, and I've been planning on using them for looks, but like I've been super busy with school, and like I keep doing like other looks and videos, and other stuff keeps getting in the way. So yeah, I just love using this brand a lot too. It's like one of my favorite indie brands. It looks really good. I like it. Also, I'm happy I went with the red lipstick. Like I was either, if I have yellow lipstick, I had the blue lace liner, or it comes to the red. So, but I think I like the red a lot. I'm wearing like a yellow t-shirt and it has blue on it, and I have like yellow as a major, or as like the base color, and then the blue liner. So I feel like I need a little bit more red in my look. So I think I did good picking out the colors. So make sure you do follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Of course, I'll have all my little usernames down below in the description. Make sure you check that out, and also be sure to check out my affiliate codes down below, or like my little discount codes. Of course, Baby Bat Beauty, I use a few of their stuff and items in my look today, so make sure you check it out. I think the highlighter looks really good. I love it. And of course, if there's like any brand I mentioned in the video, and if I don't have it down below, you can ask about it, like, or then I can like send you guys a link or whatever, comment the link or whatever. I don't know, whatever. But make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I have a bunch of other makeup tutorials and other like different kinds of videos, skincare videos, or get ready with me's, you know, and maybe some where to eat in front of the camera, you know, or try out things in front of the camera. I try to mix it up a little bit with my channel, so yeah, so that way it's not just purely makeup, so that way everyone can, you know, be able to watch my stuff. But yeah. So I think that's it for today's video, so make sure to leave a like and comment down below. Make sure you do show some love down below in the comments. And of course, follow me on Instagram. But yeah. Of course, my Instagram is Denise_Draven. My Twitter is Denise Draven, and my Facebook page is Denise Draven. So Denise Draven, pretty much everywhere. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!